Hi, I'm Katie and welcome to Wise Guides, where we give you and your team our best practices so you can get the most out of SiteOwl. Today we are going to talk about succeeding with your system integrator using SiteOwl. SiteOwl is a collaborative platform that allows you to easily partner with your integrators, making you a better partner with them given the rich information you are providing, and allowing them to be a better partner in return by providing real-time, accurate updates from the field. In projects, this is done through the SiteOwl mobile application that is purpose-built for field technicians. SiteOwl Mobile gives field technicians detailed information at their fingertips, all in one place. No more comparing spreadsheets to PDFs to find the right device information. The install itself is simple and easy to use with one click of the button. Photos are quick and done right in the device. No more associating photos after the fact, saving time. Issues identified in the field make it back to the office instantaneously for fast resolution. Sites and capabilities are access controlled, making sure that techs are working on what they should be. All these features make SiteOwl quick and easy for an integrator to adopt. This, coupled with your playbook and requirements, means that SiteOwl customers consistently benefit from these better partnerships with their integrators. That's it for succeeding with integrators. Join us next time.